alerts enable you to follow the performance throughout the day, react to issues as they occur, and also fix problems before they have a chance to really escalate. And not only that, but you could be alerted when things are going really well, which of course brightens anyone's day. And today we will learn how to set up alerts in the survey section. And it's good to note that only admins can do this. So switching over to analytics in a moment. There we go. And you should have the admin tab open, and from there we choose surveys. And then you basically choose any survey that doesn't have an alert yet. Let's choose this one. And you can see here, let's move the knowledge bot a little bit. You can see here a line over the bell, which means that no trigger has been set for this experience point. You can change this by clicking on the bell and then add new trigger. And you can choose to get an alert whenever negative feedback percentage is at a certain level, or when the index value is either below or above the threshold, or when the number of happy or unhappy responses are at a certain level. And you can create as many triggers as you'd like. So let's put here that, for example, 50% of the feedback is negative in a period of, let's say, 15 minutes. And you will be alerted. And you can also determine that there needs to be, for example, at least 4 feedback in total. Then you hit save. And you can see here that the bell is now activated, and you will get an alert when the criteria is met. And it's good to note that the bell needs to be activated for each experience point separately when you're doing it in the survey section. Also, everyone who should be getting these alerts in your team or in your organization, so for example, store or shift managers, they need to subscribe to the alerts in order to receive them. Just quickly going to show, if you go to my profile and subscriptions, add new, from here you're able to subscribe to alerts. You can choose to get the delivery by email or push notification to your phone, or both if you'd like. Here on the left, we can see a store manager's phone screen, let's say, and they've received an alert about negative feedback, and then they click on the alert and go to the Happy or Not app to investigate. And they now see that the store's checkout has received an increasing amount of negative feedback in the last 15 minutes. And it seems like the main pain point here, as you can see, is wait time. The manager would then go to see the checkouts and realize that only 2 registers are open, whereas the queues are very, very long. And it seems like too many team members are shelving new items when the queue should be addressed. And the manager then alerts the team about the issue and opens a 3rd register. Soon a 4th one opens as well, and the queues get shorter. No kids are screaming, and people are smiling again and giving more positive feedback. So the problem is solved before the issue got any bigger, and that is thanks to using alerts. That is an example how it can help you out. You can also see on the image here on the right that the person who opens the alert can show to other team members that it's being acknowledged, meaning action is being taken by clicking the acknowledge button. And you could also add comments to the alert, and the commenting can be used for documenting lessons learned and what were the root causes for the alert. And it's normal that it might take some time to find the right trigger that works for your business. And you can always test different triggers out, change them up, and try over time what works best.